I'm out here in the storage building. I got this 500 w motor from off on eBay from a seller. It said Rolling Heights, California. They're telling me that they sell them, but they don't do anything with them. And the shaft right here has got a lot of play. It's supposed to be 0.03 millimeters of tolerance. It's more like a millimeter. A little more, a little less probably. And they're making me make this video to send to them, to show them about this slack in this motor before they'll even do anything about it. Sorry about the mess. You're looking at the back of my four-wheeler. Thank you. I'm going to hook this thing up and I'll be with you right here in just a sec. Alright, I got it hooked up and running here. I want to show you. Right here. On the shaft. And you see the play in there? And the wobble. Looks like they pressed this piece right here on crooked. Either they pressed this on crooked, or there's a bend in the shaft itself inside of here. You see the wobble. I can point to it right there where you can sit there and watch it. I'll put the description of this seller in the bottom of the video. That way you can just watch in case they try to, anybody else tries to buy any off of them. You can see it, you can still see it wobbling. Anybody else had any trouble like this, I'd like to know. Because I've never seen anybody to make a video of a brand new piece here to have to show them before they even do anything about it, which I can see at point to guess a little bit. But I've done sent them pictures, done everything, done contacted them, they do nothing but give you a runaround. Appreciate your input. Thank you. This play right here is supposed to be 0.03 millimeters at the most, according to their site.